Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever wanted to connect your Webflow projects to other apps, automate your workflow, or even just experiment with API access in 2024, you're in the right place. Today I'm showing you exactly how to generate and use a Webflow API token step by step, so you can unlock a whole new world of integration possibilities. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know not only how to create your API token, but also why each step matters, and how to avoid common pitfalls, especially if this is your first time working with APIs. Alright, let's dive in. Our very first step is to head straight to your Webflow dashboard and open up the site you want to work with. From there, you'll want to find the site settings. This might sound obvious, but it's actually a really critical step because each Webflow site has unique settings and permissions. In the site settings, you'll see lots of options. Don't get overwhelmed. Just focus on the sidebar and look for the section labeled Apps and Integrations. This is where all the juicy stuff happens, allowing you to connect Webflow with services like Zapier, custom code solutions, and most importantly, where you'll manage your API tokens. Once you're in Apps and Integrations, scan for the button that says Generate API Token. This is your golden ticket to accessing Webflow's data securely. Go ahead and click it. The system will prompt you to name your token. Now, naming might seem trivial, but trust me, if you ever manage multiple tokens or automate several different tasks, you'll really appreciate having clear, descriptive names. For example, if this token is just for testing, you can call it Test API 2024. If it's for a specific project or integration, add that detail right in the name. Now, before you generate the token, Webflow gives you the chance to control exactly what this token can do. This is powerful and a bit like handing out keys to your digital home. There are toggles you can adjust for different activities, such as Assets, which manages your images, files, and media, CMS for content management, and Authorized User, which handles permissions around users and accounts. Take a moment and really think about which parts of your site this API should access. If you're only automating blog posts, you might only need the CMS toggle. If you're doing more advanced asset manipulation, select Assets as well. Don't worry if you're uncertain. You can always generate a new token with different permissions later. Once you've toggled the permissions you need, go ahead and click Generate Token. This part might take a few seconds, especially if your internet connection is slow or the browser is thinking. Just wait for it to finish loading. When it's done, Webflow will show you your brand new API token. Here's the crucial part, Webflow will only show you this token once. That's right, once you leave this page, you can't see it again for security reasons, so make sure you copy it right away. Click the little copy button next to the token and paste it somewhere safe, maybe your password manager, a secure note, or wherever you keep other sensitive credentials. Now you can use this token in any integration, API request, or tool that needs Webflow access like Postman, Zapier, or your own custom scripts. And that's it, you've just created a Webflow API token from scratch and you're ready to start integrating like a pro. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, drop your questions or experiences in the comments. I always love hearing from you, and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and good luck automating your Webflow experience.